Hello. This trooper's going to speak with you on the other side. Hello. How are you, sir? Trooper Fultz, the Arkansas State Police, man. This is a sobriety checkpoint. Do you have your driver's license on you? You have anything to drink? Where are you headed to? I was just about to tell you how small your arms look. What gym are you going to?
I'm going to the Anytime.
Anytime? Okay, you work out at West Memphis?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Alright, man. Well, there's your ID. Be careful. Work on those arms. You're looking small. Take it easy, man.
When you get the license, you just look at it?
Yeah. No, I just look at it. Unless you think something's up with it. Guess I should scan too.
And insurance on it, all that, or do you just get license?
I just for license. Because ultimately we're just trying to check and see if they're impaired.
Trooper Thomas, Arkansas State Police. We're doing a DWI checkpoint. Do you have your license on you?
I do.
Perfect.
Pick it up on baby.
Robert, John, Edward, David, Charles, John, 3.
Do you have anything to drink tonight? You've had nothing to drink tonight? Well, drive safe. Be careful, alright?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You can just go around that, Trooper, okay?
What's up, man?
Hello.
Stop. Will you turn your music down just a little bit? How are you?
I'm good.
I'm Trooper Fultz, Arkansas State Police. This is a sobriety checkpoint. Do you have your driver's license?
I left that house. I live right up the street.
You don't have your ID on you?
No, I don't.
Nothing at all? Will you put it in park for me? Do you have something to write on?
Something to write on?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Piece of paper? Will you write your name and your birthday down?
Can I get a van off the vehicle? David Boy 663-955. David Boy 663-955. No,
Can I pull over to the side right here?
No, sir. You can stay right here. Mr. Brinson, 720 of 85.
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
I'm 40. I'll be 41 in July.
Okay. Is your ID out of Arkansas?
No, it's not.
What state?
It's out of Washington.
Washington?
Yes, I just got down here. I'm actually going back up to Washington in about a week.
Okay. All right. Well, you just stay put for me, okay? Will you check him out in Washington? You have family here, I guess?
Yes.
Gotcha.
Thank you, Peter.
What do you do for a living? I noticed you got a bunch of tools.
I do all type of stuff. I do locksmith. My main thing is locksmith.
Like a handyman?
Yeah. Robert.
Gotcha. How old's your dog?
He's 6.
6?
Three.
It looks like a little fox. So you haven't had anything to drink?
Huh?
You haven't had anything to drink?
No,
Nothing at all?
not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, so if you took a breath test right now, you'd be 0, right?
Should be.
Should be.
But why, since when this is new to me.
This is
I've
new?
never heard of this.
You've never heard of a DWI checkpoint?
No, not unless somebody is actually driving crazy. Why didn't they get stopped?
Well, because I'm talking to you. And the other troopers are busy talking to other people and doing other things.
That doesn't make sense. Y'all didn't stop them.
Okay, well, because I've got you stopped here right now. We're trying to make sure that you got a valid driver's license. I'm trying to make sure that you haven't been drinking, which I think you have.
You actually don't have the right to just stop me if I wasn't driving or doing anything
Yes, sir.
wrong.
And I need you to step out of the car.
Why?
Step out of the car.
Why?
Hey, come here.
You can call hands with me. Check, because they may sing.
D24, 1037. Bob, he's been drinking and he took off from checkpoint. I'll give you a vehicle description in just a minute. We got his ID, name and date of birth.
Contact BZ.
24, go ahead and go around me. I'll be secondary since I've got the dog.
D24 sitting on secondary, I'll call it. We're southbound on College, on Waverly Road.
He's blacked out.
Blacked out. 24, we're coming up to some pretty big curves, so be careful. Speed's 105 right now. He's taking a side road. Went west on Lewis.
House.
On the map, that road there.
Wait, I got the dog. Do what you're told or you're going to get dog bit. Do you understand me? Do exactly what you're told. Face away from us.
Turn around and face away from me.
Turn around. Turn around. Walk backwards. He had a knife in his lap, so watch out. He had a knife in his lap. Walk backwards. Turn around. Hey, stop. Let me get commands. Stop. Turn around. Turn around. Walk backwards to me.
Don't reach the door.
Don't reach in the car. You're going to get dog bit.
I'm telling my dog.
No.
Close the door. I'm telling my
Turn around.
back.
Turn around.
Walk away.
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Do it now. Walk backwards. 28, come up in handcuffs.
Me. Go back in your house.
Walk backwards.
No.
Walk backwards. You're about to get dog bit. Walk backwards.
Walk back.
Go to your knees. Get on your knees. Cuff. I got covered.
Get back now! Walk in the house now, or I'm gonna place you under arrest!
Do you understand? I don't care about everybody. Go inside.
Over here. Take a seat.